Hello everyone, welcome back. These are Lucas type connectors and they require these little brassy things. So we're going to solder these onto wires today. So we need somewhere to sit them. Two little bits of flux core solder that I've chopped off. Toss them down the hole. Have our wire ready, prepped, stripped, and some heat shields, heat sink heat shields. So these will go as part of holding the piece of wire so that when we pop it into that molten solder it doesn't melt the wire to pieces. Okay, so we grab our blowtorch, heat it up. Doesn't have to be glowing red hot, but the wood will go red hot. It's got to be bubbling away in there, nice and hot. And we're going to blow the fire out and then we're going to put it in. And then we just wait for it to cool. And it might take a little while. First time I pulled it out, it hadn't solidified, so it just came right out. That should do it. And there we have a new Lucas style bullet connection soldered onto the end of our wire. One down, about another 20 to go. Thanks, catch you later, bye.